Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand about the forming tool in sheet metal SolidWorks. Let's start. New part and this. This is the SolidWorks user interface. Background, I am selecting plain white. Unit system, I am taking millimeter gram second. Okay. We will understand only the forming tools in sheet metal for SolidWorks. Okay, this is the tab section. This is sheet metal. If you don't have sheet metal, right click tab and you click the sheet metal. This will appear in the tab section. Okay, but I have already in the sheet metal tab here, the tab section. First we will make a sheet metal part here. The top plane, this one, and I am taking center rectangle. This I am selecting this line and this line equal. Okay, and dimension I am giving the 150 mm. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Sheet metal base flange, I am taking thickness 2 mm only. Okay, direction you can reverse from here. This you will see here, reverse, but I am taking down. K factor point relief we will not provide any. Okay, now here from sheet metal you can give the bend radius. This one, this is 2 mm radius and 2 mm thickness of the sheet. Okay, this. Now edge flange we can, I'm selecting this edge, bottom side, and this one, isometric, this one, isometric. Now use default radius 2 mm. If you want to change, you can uncheck it and change it, the radius, default radius. Okay, flange length I am taking 50 mm. Okay, flange position, metal inside outer virtual shaft. Front outer virtual shaft means intersection of outer edges. This point to up to the end of the flange. This is the height of the flange. This is the metal inside, outside, bend outside. In this way I am taking inside. No relief I am providing here. Okay, this is our model, isometric. Okay, now in the design library, in the right hand side you will see this is a task pane. There is a design library here. This one, design library. In design library there is a forming tools. I am clicking here. There are the various forming tools here: emboss, extrude flange, lenses, louvers. This one. Okay, emboss. First I am taking emboss forming tools. Actually these are the forming tools. These are in the purpose of these forming tools in order to provide the increase the stiffness of the sheet and provided the airflow control and the provide countersink holes type for mounting holes for purposes. There are the different purposes of the embossing. First I am taking embossing holes. Now first I am taking circular emboss. Just click it and drag on the face, this one. Okay, this is coming. Now what you will do, you can flip the direction from here. If down, up, you will see here. I am taking in this position. Okay, angle, there is no need to change the angle here. Position, this one, position normal here. This position means you have to locate the position. I am taking smart dimension. I am taking from this is I am taking at the mid, 150 divided by 2. This is the mid position. Okay, and from here this one and this one, this is the 150 divided by 2. Okay, this is the mid position, but sketch is not fully defined. You will see this is the actual position, this point. Okay, select it and you shift this point, this or select this line, this point, shift and this point. coincident, sketch is fully defined. Okay, this is the actual position, this is not the position, this is actual position. Okay, now and uncheck it, sorry, hit the right button, this one, this is the countersink emboss. Okay, now second I am taking this one, this the design library, another countersink emboss, this one, this red one is the open, this is closed one, this is for mounting purposes you can use. I am selecting and this one and this here. Okay, and this one, another you can give position. Now position means you have to give the dimension from here. For example, this dimension I am selecting this one. Okay, and this one, this I am taking 25 mm. Okay, and this position I am taking, this is I am taking also 25 mm, this one. Okay, and hit the right button, and this point is the actual position. So select this point, shift, and this point, this one, and coincident, sketch is fully defined. Okay, this is I have located first one. Now you see, in order to, we are out of the countersink emboss. In order to bring another counter emboss, you will see, you check, you select this point, another emboss will come here, this one, or you take more, this one, you can take more, this one. Okay, this way you can take it. And now out of the right click, position it. Now smart dimension, you take the dimension from here to here. For example, you take 70 mm, this one, or take 80 mm. Okay, or take 90 mm, this 90 mm. Okay, this one. Now select this point, shift, and this point, vertical. Okay, select this point and select this point, vertical elevation. Select this and this one, or select this and this one, horizontal. Sheet metal, circular emboss, this one. I am taking actually sketch. For example, I am selecting this face, sketch. Okay, I am taking center rectangle here. This is the midpoint, this one. But I am taking this as a construction, this one. Construction, and this dimension I am taking 80 mm, and this dimension also I am taking 80 mm. Okay, or you can take it 90 mm, this one, and this also 90 mm, this one. Dimension, cross this one, out of the sketch. Now go in the design library. This is the countersink emboss. First I have taken circular emboss, this is a countersink emboss. Countersink emboss, this one, and drop it here, this one. Now you will see, now right click, position, this one, position, you have to locate this position. First out of the this one, out of the select, this one. Select this point, and shift, and this point, coincident. Okay, this one, and hit the right button. Now this is the actual position. Select this point again and shift on this one. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now we have to bring another countersink emboss. How? So you will see in the sketch there is a point. This one. Select it and click it here. Another, and click another here. Click another here. This one. Okay, and hit the right button. This one. These are the counter. These are actually mounting purposes. These are used for this one. Okay. Now another design library. Now I am selecting the lenses. Lenses are used basically for the airflow control and different and ventilation purposes. Okay, I am taking this bridge lens. Okay, this one or this one. You can take the bridge. First I am taking bridge lens here. Just drag it and drop on the surface. Okay, now you will see this position should be out. How? Flip the control. You click left hand side, this window comes, flip tool. Now it should be out. Okay, this one. Now position means I have to locate the dimensions. Where is it is located? Position, normal, this one. Now at this time in the bridge lenses mode. Okay, but I have to come out. To come out, right click, select. I have come out of the lower section. Now give the location. This from here to here. This one 20, and this one, and this one, and this to this 25 mm. 25 mm. Okay, now this is, sorry, this 20 mm. This one. Now sketch is not fully defined. Position. What I will do? Select this is actual position. This is actual position where I my cursor. Select it, or you can in this way you can drag it. Just click and drag it here. This one. Now the sketch is fully defined. This is the bridge lenses, and hit the right button. This is the bridge lenses. Actually these are used for the ventilation, airflow control, and this one. Okay, this one. Now again go in the this one. I am using this one, lens and form with band. Okay, select it and drag it. This one, this position, but this is inside but should be outside. Flip down, you will see here. Flip this one, this position. Okay, you can change the angle. Suppose for example 90 degree. This is angle change here. Here this is the angle changes here. And position. Position, if you click the position means normal. Position means dimension of this one. Right click, select this one out of the bridge lens. This is the bridge lens, and select, give the dimension. This is 20 mm. This one, and this position. This is the actual position. This one and this one 25 mm. This one 20, and this sketch is not fully defined. What I will do? You just this origin point, shift. This is not actual position, and shift here. This sketch is fully defined. In this way you can make a fully defined and hit the right button. This is the, you can take wherever the direction is proper. You can take from here to here, or here to, from up to down, or down to up. As per your requirement you can take it. Now what is left? Louver. You can take also this one, this lenses and louvers. Louver you can take. Just select it, and this one, and drag on the surface. Drop it. Position, position, normal, but you will see where is the position. This is inside? No. Position, normal, type. This one. Flip the tool. Flip the tool. Flip means now it is okay. It has come up. Now give the degree, 270 degree. This one. Or 180. This one. This should be outside actually. Normal. And Dave's 270. Or 90 degree. Flip tool outside. This one. And degree is the 270. 270 degree. This one. Okay, flip. Now position. Position means first right click, select out of this forming tools. Now give the smart dimension. This one. This is 20 mm. And this is the actual position. This one. Where is my cursor? This and this, select 25 mm. Mid. But sketch is not fully defined. What I will do? Hit the right button and this point, bring this one and this one here. This is the position. This. Hit the right button. No, this should be outside actually. This one. This is outside. This position is the right position. This one. Now you can make the future go in the linear pattern. Linear pattern direction is this one, and select the future. This one. Distance between two, I suppose I take 50 mm. This one. This is the 50 mm distance. Okay, normal. This one. Isometric. This one. This way, in this way you can make it. You can evaluate the distance also. For example, isometric, front plane, front. This one, right, this, left, this one. Suppose you want to measure the dimension, evaluate, measure midpoint of this one. This and this midpoint. This distance is 50 mm. This one, sorry. This and this one. This one. This is the 50 mm distance between them. From center to center distance is measured. Always you note this thing. Okay. This one. You make 3. Suppose you want to edit it, you can make 3. Suppose you want the 3, you can make the 3. This one. In this way, these are the forming tools here. One more, you want to take it, you can take it. For example, this one, emboss. This is open type. This countersink emboss is the open type. This is the closed type. Just select it and drag it here. This is. You see the position. Okay, this position is okay. Now, position. This one. This you can flip the direction. This one. I am taking this position. Position. I will give the location of this. Normal. First, now in this time at this counter sink emboss will come. First you will select, right click, select out of this one. Now give the dimension, location any, this one, this, suppose this is the 70 mm, whatever is the dimension, and this is 25 mm, suppose. Okay, this one, but sketch is not fully defined. Our this point, where is my cursor? This is the actual position, and this is not the actual position. Just select it and drag it and bit. This sketch is fully defined here. This one, and hit the again right. In this way you can, this one, this is without hole, and this emboss is without hole. This is actually used for the mounting purposes. Okay, countersink. Actually countersink hole, the head of the bolt remains inside. Okay, in order to avoid the above projection of the bolt. Okay, in this way we can make the different types of sheet forming tools. These are used for the for the electric items, and this we are used in this process. These are used generally for the ventilation purpose, for the in order to control the airflow, and in order to increase the stiffness of the sheet. In this way we can use this. And I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Okay.